Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your member ID number on Molina HealthCare online. We will also put links in the description below for various insurance programs for you to sign up in case you are interested. To start, open the website molinahealthcare.com. Then click on Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see two options. Click on Member. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your member ID number under the My Details section. That's how you find your member ID number on Molina HealthCare online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.